atomic goldfish!
It's round 4 and the atomic goldfish is still going strong in the selfless mission to explore beer.
Whoa!
We've risen slowly and unsteadily from the bottom to the top, but now we've arrived at the crowning glory. So what mysteries does Beerhead hold? Most people would say there are 2 layers in a pint, the beer and the head. But if you take a close look at the head, you can divide that into 2 as well. And that's because Beerhead is made up of gas and liquid. Earlier we looked at how surfactant molecules coat the outside of beer bubbles, with some bits enjoying the nice gas bit inside, and some bits a bit more like me enjoying the liquid beer. This skin helps to keep the walls of the bubble intact, even at the top of the pint, but only as long as there's a coating of liquid. Without liquid around the bubble, the surfactants don't stick to the bubble surface, which becomes much weaker. When Beerhead is formed after the pour, the bubbles rise up and drag a lot of liquid beer with them, and at this stage the bubbles are spherical. In fact, they can stay spherical as long as 36% of the beer head is made up of liquid. This is called the wet foam. At this point, however, gravity starts to take effect and the liquid in the wet foam begins to drain away. The bubbles at the top of the head begin to crowd together and start to deform, with many even joining to make larger bubbles. A more rigid foam full of straight-sided shapes begins to appear, and this is known as the dry foam. The dry foam lasts for a little while, but the wet foam quickly disappears as the liquid drains and your head size rapidly decreases. Now, beer foam captures and releases tantalising aromas as it decays, so brewers will do everything in their power to make it last. You can too by drinking at a sensible pace. Don't go anywhere, because as ever, we're thirsting for more. Join the Atomic Goldfish for the next round.